Hey Tribe, James from BBRE here, and we've created this video to assist you in creating your own on-demand 16 Oz prints using our gang sheet builder. A couple of things to note before we kick off the demonstration. Prints must be in PNG format. Print quality must be 300 DPI or higher to ensure image quality. Images must have a transparent background. Anything that appears in the image will be printed. If you've got an image with a background, we recommend using Canva or BG removal tool for creating transparent images. Okay, with that said, let's create a wrap. From the website, blankspire.com.au, navigate to the menu and click on Gang Sheet Builder. In the Gang Sheet Builder, you've got several options. Today, we're going to be doing a 16 Oz wrap. So we'll click on that and click Build Your Own Gang Sheet. We always want to start a brand new gang sheet so that we've got a blank image to work from. At the top left of the corner, you've got an option called drag and drop or click here to upload images. So I'm going to create a Reaper 16 ounce wrap. So we grab the Reaper, double click and allow it to upload in this top left corner. Once that reaches 100%, you can use the image. Okay, so we click the image once for one replication on the big screen. And then we can hold the control key on your keyboard and the scroll wheel of your mouse to bring the whole wrap into view. On the left-hand side of the screen, we've got width and height adjustment for aspect ratio. If you click the padlock to the unlocked position, you have a free-form file that you can then modify. All 16 ounce wraps are 24 centimeters wide by 10 centimeters high. And then once you've completed your adjustments, you'll see that there are red and green lines around the circumference of the wrap. What we're looking for is to eliminate this red line and have the green line overtake. So with your left click of the mouse, you can click and drag the image around and manipulate it and move it up until the green line is overriding the red, and then to the right until all the red lines around the circumference of the image are complete. You then have a 16 ounce wrap ready to add to your cart. All you do then is save and add to cart, and then just make the acknowledgement that this is your product, that you own the artwork or have the license to print it, and that there's no overlapping images, no resolution images, and no items overlapping the artboard. And we click add to cart and exit. And done. You have now got a gang sheet ready for sale. And if you want, you can click on preview and it'll just give you a final snapshot of the image to make sure that it's what you're chasing. So I hope that helps, and we'll be continuing these help videos with other mediums as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.